Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Find My iPhone. The first thing you're going to need to do is open Settings. Once in Settings, you want to tap on your device name at the top of the screen right here. Then you're going to select Find My, and you want to tap on Find My iPhone, and you're going to enable that. And you're going to also enable Find My Network and Send Last Location, as by enabling Send Last Location and automatically send the last location of this iPhone when the battery is critically low. So after enabling all three, you're going to also turn on Share My Location. So now after doing that, you can simply go into the Find My app, as you can see right here. And from here, you'll be able to locate all your Apple devices. For example, if you have more than one iPhone, you'll be able to see it below devices. And you could also tap on the plus if you would like to add a new device. For example, if you would like to add an AirTag or any other Apple device, you could tap on Add Other Item, and you'll be able to add it. And if you have misplaced your iPhone, for example, you'll be able to come into devices, as you can see right here, tap on the device that you have misplaced and want to find, and you could tap on Play Sound right here. And by tapping on Play Sound, your device will make a notification sound, so you will be able to hear it if you have misplaced it in the house. And also, if you feel that someone has stole your iPhone, you could simply use the directions right here to find the iPhone. And you can also tap on Erase this device if you want to erase all information on that iPhone or device. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to use Find My iPhone and also how to find a device using Find My iPhone.